I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Bit Form as a trigger. Select a form. Next, search and select an action. Registration. Choose an action type. Map the respective fields. You can send notifications by checking the box. Choose here the WP user role. You can check the box for auto login after registration. You can also map here meta field. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Now click on Save. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the user's dashboard. And here you can see after the form fill up the new user created successfully done. Thanks for watching.